to various geographic data such as high-resolution satellite and aerial images, road maps, three-dimensional cityscapes, panoramic imagery at street level, historical imagery, and photography, according to Mucha.
Nakakapasaan sa hangit na sa boundary. Yung main load yung nasa sumunod lang po sa
our profile. LGU classification, we are first class municipality, total land area 60,800 hectares. We have 77 barangays, breakdown 11 urban barangays, while hazard map. So makikita nyo po na konti lang yung area namin na prone sa landslide kasi patag po yung Bayambang mostly. Tapos, next po. Ito is fault line hazard map naman po.
So we have LGU Infanta. On deck we have LGU Manawag Pangasinan. Last lang po yung Manawag.